Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ramsey Custom Shop. My name is Gary. Just a quick video here to talk about these various welding adjustable props. I first saw this one on Tom Lipton's channel, Ox Tool Co. He showed it in a video. This is a lab jack and it's used to have chemicals on it and raise it up to the right level. And I've had this one for quite a while. I dropped it at one point. It's kind of gotten off kilter. So it doesn't quite operate like I wanted it to. But it still works good. This one here was made by Reid Eichner. He sent this to me. I have a link in the description for a set of plans if you want to build your own. $3. I'll give you the dimensions, what size tubing, DOM tubing and so forth. Links to purchase the thumb screws, stuff like that. So if you want to pay $3 to get a little set of plans to build your own, that's a quick little 2-hour job. And I've also got links in this one on Amazon. There's a couple different ones. I've got a link to this one here, this size, and then 2 other sizes, an aluminum one and a stainless one. And then this monster here is one I worked on over the weekend. And the issue with this one is, like, if you want to get it adjusted in a hurry, it's like crank, crank, crank. It's got really fine threads on a small bolt. And my thought was putting a 1'8" threaded rod in there. And this little quick speed handle here, I could crank it up and down really quick, because a lot of times when you're trying to move from one thing to the other, you want to kind of not be lollygagging around. So anyway, this is what I came up with. I still got to come back and make some spacers. I just used these to figure out what the spacing needed to be, but I want to make some aluminum spacers and do a couple more tweaks to it, and it'll be good to go. It's bound up right now. I mean, it's not like completely bound up, but it doesn't spin freely like I wanted it to. I used a bunch of skateboard bearings. I'll put the plans for this as well if you want to build something like that. It's loosely based on this same design, so check it out.